Hi, everyone, and a very warm welcome. I know that starting out in the crypto world can feel a little intimidating at first, but don't you worry. Today, I'm going to walk you through the absolute simplest and most approachable way to navigate Binance. It's the world's largest exchange, and together we're going to get you set up perfectly. To get started, simply head down to the description or the pinned comments and click the official sign up link I've provided. That will lead you right to the Binance registration page. Now, here's a wonderful little bonus for you. By using that specific link, you'll actually receive a 50% fee payback and a $600 rewards package as a welcome gift. It's a great way to start your journey with a little extra cushion. Once you're on the page, the sign up is very easy. You can use either your email or your mobile phone. Just enter the email you'd like to use, take a quick moment to check the terms and conditions box at the bottom, and go ahead and click continue. In just a few seconds, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Just retrieve that code, enter it in, click continue, and then you'll create your password. Remember, it needs to be at least 8 characters with one number and one uppercase letter. And just like that, you've done it. If an inviter code screen pops up, just make sure the code is filled in and you're all set. Now that your account is ready, let's look at the KYC identity verification. This is a very important step because it keeps the platform safe and allows you to deposit and trade. Since this part involves a quick facial scan, it's actually much easier to finish the process right on your mobile phone. Go ahead and launch the Binance app and log in. You should see the verification screen appear immediately. First, confirm your nationality and then choose whichever ID you have handy, a national ID, driver's license, or passport. All of these are usually processed in about 5 minutes, so just pick the most convenient one for you. Select Take Pictures and click Continue. Take a clear photo of the front and back of your ID, making sure it stays within the frame. Then just center your face in the oval on the screen and follow the gentle prompts. Once that scan is finished, just confirm your details like your name, birth date, and address and click Continue. Select your occupation, hit Continue, and finally pick your industry and click Continue one last time. The review is very fast and you'll see the verified status on your profile in no time. Before we finish, let's make sure your account is safe with two-factor authentication. Back on your PC, click Security under the Account tab and look for Manage next to the Authenticator app. When you click Enable Authenticator app, Binance will send a verification code to your email or phone just to be safe. Enter that, and a QR code will appear. Leave that there for a moment and download the Google Authenticator app. Open it, tap Get Started, and I suggest clicking Use without signing in. Tap Add a code, and then scan a QR code. Scan the code on your PC, and a 6-digit code will appear on your phone. Back on the computer, click Next, enter those 6 digits, and hit Submit. And that is everything. You are now fully verified and secure. I'm so glad I could help you get started today. If this guide was helpful, please do leave a like. Best of luck with your very first trades.